In the heart of East Africa lies a nation that has truly redefined what it means to overcome. A land of breathtaking emerald landscapes, unparalleled wildlife, and a spirit of unity that inspires the world. Welcome to Rwanda, famously known as the land of 1,000 hills. This is a country whose journey from adversity to prosperity is a testament to the human spirit, filled with surprising good things and an enduring vision for the future. Join us as we explore the remarkable story of Rwanda. Rwanda is globally celebrated as a sanctuary for some of the planet's most magnificent creatures, the mountain gorillas. Tucked away in the misty Virunga Mountains of Volcanoes National Park, these critically endangered giants thrive thanks to Rwanda's unwavering commitment to conservation. A visit here is more than just a wildlife encounter. It's a profound connection with nature, a privileged glimpse into the lives of these gentle giants, and a direct contribution to their survival. Rwanda's successful conservation model serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating how dedicated efforts and community engagement can bring a species back from the brink, turning a once dwindling population into a growing symbol of hope. The story of Rwanda is one of remarkable transformation. From a tragic past, the nation has emerged with an extraordinary spirit of unity and resilience. Through initiatives like Umuganda, a monthly national day of community service, where citizens come together to clean streets, build infrastructure, and foster social cohesion, Rwanda has built a foundation of peace and progress. Its capital, Kigali, is lauded as one of Africa's cleanest, safest, and most innovative cities, a hub of technology and sustainable development. This incredible journey of healing and growth showcases a country that has chosen hope over despair, demonstrating the powerful capacity of people to rebuild and forge a brighter collective future. As its nickname suggests, Rwanda is a land of unparalleled natural beauty. Verdant, undulating hills stretch as far as the eye can see, carpeted with lush tea and coffee plantations that paint the landscape in shades of emerald. The country is home to serene lakes, including the expansive Lake Kivu, offering tranquil shores and breathtaking sunsets. Explore the ancient Nyungwe Forest National Park, one of Africa's oldest and most well-preserved montane rainforests, teeming with chimpanzees and a myriad of bird species. Every vista in Rwanda is a postcard perfect scene, inviting exploration and offering a peaceful escape into nature's embrace. Rwanda is not just looking back at its history or inward at its nature. It's ambitiously forging ahead with innovation and sustainable development. The government's forward-thinking policies have fostered a booming entrepreneurial ecosystem, particularly in technology and ecotourism. Local communities are empowered through cooperatives, producing high-quality coffee and tea, becoming global exports. There's a strong focus on renewable energy and environmental protection, making Rwanda a leader in sustainable practices on the continent. This dynamic spirit of innovation, coupled with a deep respect for its natural resources, is positioning Rwanda as a model for progress in Africa and beyond. Rwanda is truly a beacon of hope and resilience. It's the profound gaze of a mountain gorilla, the pristine streets of a thriving capital, the endless beauty of its green hills, and the powerful spirit of a united people. It's a country that defies expectations, inspires admiration, and proves that from profound challenges can emerge extraordinary beauty and progress. Has Rwanda's story of hope and natural wonder captivated your imagination? Share your thoughts below.